Hi, who are you?
Hello, I'm a voice assistant here to help you with any questions or tasks you have. How can I assist you today?
Can you tell me what is LLM?
LLM stands for Master of Laws, which is an advanced law degree typically pursued by individuals who already have a law degree. It allows them to specialize in a particular area of law.
No, I am not talking about a law LLM. I want to know about generative AI LLM.
Generative ALLM stands for Generative Adversarial Learning for Language Models. It's a technique that involves using adversarial learning to improve the generation capability of language models. Like other ALLMs, it aims to enhance the fluency and diversity of generated text by training the model to outsmart an adversarial critic.
Okay, thank you. Can you explain more about SLM?
SLM stands for Service Level Management. It involves monitoring, measuring, and managing the level of service agreed upon between a service provider and a customer. It helps ensure that services meet agreed upon quality levels and performance targets.